Hello everybody, so today I will talk about the calculus. The topic today is about complex number, and here I just have two complex number and we need to calculate this one. So in this situation we will use about the Moirve theorem. So the formula is about sine cosine s plus I sine s power z in here. So z is about the power, and the answer for this one is about cosine z s plus I sine z s in here. So we have the number in here. We just transform trigonometry and we just apply this formula. So we will transform in this one. Cosine p over 2 is about 0, and sine p over 2 they will become number 1, so we drop out I in here. The next one is similar to now we change to 2021. This is about the negative square root of 3 divided by 2 and the I in here is about I divided by 2, and here is the answer on the question. That's it, the end. Thank you for watching.